am Mrs. Tasneem Shahani. Welcome to the 4th episode of Tasneem's Tadka. I'm the home chef for Tasneem's King's Kitchen, Lalitpur, Nepal. Today we'll be making a very traditional Bohra Muslim dish which is called the Lagania Seekh. Lagania in simple terms means a thick, flat-bottomed utensil or pan in which the dish is prepared. Traditionally, people make it with a mutton mince, but today we will be making it with chicken mince. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Eggs, onion slices, refined oil, fresh coriander, tomato slices, potato slices, bread. We have turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander and cumin powder, salt, garam masala, green chili paste, ginger garlic paste, fresh mint and the chicken mince. So now I will be showing you the actual marination of the chicken mince. So basically this is half a kg of chicken mince to which we will be adding salt, cumin coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala, a little bit of the green chili paste, a little bit of the red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, garlic paste, ginger paste. This is basically a slice of bread which we have soaked in water and squeezed out the water, and we just add it in the chicken mince. One egg, this is fried onions which you just take a little in your hand, crush it and put it in. This is approximately 2-3 onions which I have made golden brown, and we add a teaspoon of oil. We add a little bit of coriander and a little bit of mint. And if you like it spicy, you can always add green chilies. After adding all the ingredients, mix it up properly. You can do an overnight marinade, or you can if you want, a minimum of 3 to 4 hours of marinade. Get the chicken marinated, ingredients ready, and I'll see you on Thursday for the preparation for the very traditional Bohra Muslim Lagania Seekh. See you on Thursday.